Hello, hello. So I'm really happy to welcome you back on this day 10. So what was the menu today? Some authentication, some creation of a new table in the database. So I'll go first on the user. So what's happening on this user? So that will be the base for everything. So a user would have a research flow. Research flow is a collection of places that will be generated by the large language model, and there will be in this kind of a flow. So here we can see here that he will take a user in consideration, and he will have places identify the places. I need to do it. But yeah, so you have a user, and the goal is to not be depending of the user, so we can create a research without being connected. So that was one of the things. I also implemented some Cognito. I'm not very fan of it for now, and I'm struggling a bit with this session with Next. But yeah, okay, we can. Okay, well, there is no URL. But here I have the authentication that we can see. So, no, not here. So that's a new context. I'm not a big fan for the user for the authentication. So this is the authentication that uses directly the Cognito SDK. So I use my client ID, my authority URL, and everything is inside of a provider. So it can be used everywhere. And I have a component that take this, that use so the authentication of the context. And here we can see that inside there is a lot of parameters. So we can check if the user is authenticated, and if he is authenticated, we can get his access token, refresh token, and everything. And that was the moment I wanted to authenticate the user inside of the database. So here we have a call to the database to store the user and not store it if it doesn't exist, if it already exists. And but I think like the session is a bit too complicated and it's not very smooth how it is with Next. So I would like to make it better. I saw some library. I saw the Next here. No, here. So here it was my Cognito. Like you just have to put like something. So you can just sign in and it's good. So that's very practical. It's very good. It's very easy to set up. And I want to check. So next off, which looks good. I tried to implement it. I didn't succeed. So I need to look at it more. But yeah, it's basically just a provider that encapsulates many authentication, like Cognito, but Google or anything. So that's quite good. That's very good. Or Facebook or Twitter or anything. That's very good. But yeah, I need to make it work. So here on the Spring Boot, I also implemented some new features. So to authenticate the user, here, so there is more model also here. But here we can, if I go on the services, authentication, okay, module. So yeah, that was where I was. So here we it's just to authenticate a user. We send a body with the user name, with the email, the sub from AWS Cognito, and the connection method. So that's it, and we'll save it, or we'll save it here, or we will just say like, oh, it's already existing. As good here, it's just to get back the user. We have some services also here. User services, so user to get things. So everything is backed into my repository on here. Perfect. So you can see I don't need. There's a lot of things with GPA that can be existed. So I thought like we need always query, but no, there is possibilities to really do some queries interesting with GPA and without using custom queries. So that's very good. So for example, the exist keyword, which return a boolean if the list is empty or not in SQL. It exists here, so it's very practical. And yeah, so that's it for today. I will continue this weekend if I can. I didn't post the video also for what I need to do it. The tutorial for long chain and long graph. I really want to put it, but I need to take time to edit and yeah, that's it. So I'm really having some kind of fun. Getting back to Next, I'm reading Next documentation for the session and everything, so it was very cool. And yeah, see us Monday for the next update, so day 11. Cheers!